In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the YSUS board out of a Samsung Plasma TV. So first things first, we do have a couple connectors, so we'll go ahead and take care of those first. So we have our ribbon clip. I'm going to be lifting the latch at the top here and then wiggling out the ribbon. And then we have our wires up here. Gently wiggle those out, and then we'll go ahead and do the screws. So that was the easy part. The hard part is actually disconnecting all of these connectors. The way to do that is we're going to want to lift up the board off of the chassis and gently wiggle it out. And I said gently, but I actually do have to put a little bit of force. But essentially I'll do it again. We'll connect it back in. So we lift the board up, and then you want to put pressure on the corners and then wiggle it out from both sides. And there we go.